Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is registered companies. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject company law and also discuss various topics related to it like uh, various provisions of company law, amendment in the Companies Act and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the registered companies. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is registered companies. So what is the concept of registered companies? What is the application of registered companies? We'll discuss here. So a registered company is one which is formed and registered under the Companies Act 1956 and registered under the earliest Company Act. A registered company comes into existence when it is registered under the Companies Act and a certificate of incorporation is granted to it by the registrar of the companies. Without the certificate, a company can't be registered. So, certificate of incorporation is very important or mandatory in the case of registered companies, which is granted by the registrar of companies. The registered companies are governed by the provisions of Companies Act 1956 and by the rules and regulations laid down in the Memorandum and Articles of Association of the companies. These are commonly found companies in India. So there are two main parts of registered company provisions, which is Memorandum of Association. Second is Articles of Association, which is also known as MOA and AOA, by which the registered companies can be governed. There are various classification of registered company which we will discuss in the upcoming slides. So this is all about the registered companies. I again summarize all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So registered company is one which is formed and registered under the Companies Act, and the certificate of incorporation is granted to the registered companies by the registrar of the companies. It is followed the rules of regulations as in the Articles of Association and Memorandum of Association. These are generally found companies in India. So this is all about the registered companies. If you have any query about this topic or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, companies law, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.